Today we're solving a super frustrating problem: Chromecast not connecting to Wi-Fi. Whether it won't connect during setup or keeps dropping the connection, don't worry, we'll fix it together step by step. Step 1. Check basics. Before trying advanced fixes, make sure the basics are correct. Your phone and Chromecast must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, not just the same router. Many routers broadcast separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, and if your phone is on one while Chromecast is on the other, the setup will fail. Step 2. Signal issues. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi is another major reason Chromecast fails to connect. If your Chromecast is far from the router or blocked by walls, the signal may not be strong enough for setup. Google recommends keeping Chromecast within reasonable range of the router, especially during initial configuration. Step 3. Restart devices. A simple restart can fix many connection issues. Unplug your Chromecast from the power source, wait at least 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Then restart your Wi-Fi router and modem as well. This refreshes the network, clears temporary glitches, and often resolves connection failures instantly. Step 4. Update software. Outdated software can silently break Chromecast connectivity. Make sure the Google Home app on your phone is updated to the latest version, as older versions may fail to detect Chromecast devices. Chromecast itself updates automatically, but it requires a working internet connection to complete firmware updates. Step 5. Wired option. If Wi-Fi problems keep happening, using a wired connection can be the most reliable solution. Google offers an Ethernet adapter for Chromecast that allows you to connect directly to your router using a cable. This completely removes Wi-Fi interference and is ideal for homes with weak signals or crowded wireless networks. Step 6. Factory reset. If none of the previous steps work, a factory reset may be necessary. On most Chromecast models, you can press and hold the button on the device until the LED light changes color, then release it. This completely wipes previous settings and allows you to set up the device from scratch using the Google Home app. This should only be done as a last resort, but it is highly effective for persistent issues.